Hey guys, Corey from Barbie here, and I'm here to talk about my truck, Karma.
But she's Insta-famous, bro.
So you might remember this truck from SEMA 15 and 16 and the cover of Diesel World magazine. Of course, she has no work truck. She had a rough country lift. Who knew there were rules at SEMA? But she's still doing work. She might look a little bit different. I did give her a facelift, took the head rack off, got different tires and wheels, took the wrap off, just a few different things. And this year, I did a couple motor upgrades. I was not planning on doing that either until my CP4 pump went out. So on a trip to Minnesota to see Old 36, on the way home, she started acting kind of weird on the interstate. Turns out, had water in my fuel, ruined my CP4 pump.
He doesn't want to leave her. He doesn't want to leave her. Let go of her. She's got to go home.
Guess who missed Thanksgiving? But guess what that meant? Upgrades. And it happened right before PRI. After talking to a few companies, I realized that she would make around 650 horsepower on the highest tune. This one is for hauling trailers, and this one's for racing Dodges at stoplights. So let's talk about these upgrades. We got CP3 Conversion kit from Fleece. We got HSP piping and EGR delete. And then we got Tater Belt Turbo 6367. And then under here we have a 165 FASS Fuel pump. You know what that means? Never gonna have water in my diesel again. And inside here, you can see my 5-switch for all my tunes from PPI. Shout out to Corey Willis and Justin. Installs were all done by Texas Trucking Tuning and Diesel Dynamics. Also shout out to Brett and Creed Customs for hauling her down there for me. She's a beast. So this is how we're gonna break in our new upgrades.
So do you have any regrets?
No.